welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is my 1988 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am GTA. This is actually an original 5.7 car with the automatic 350 transmission. Inside the car it was factory ordered with black leather interior, black carpet, so it's a triple black car. Also the 5.7 was not too many actually back in 88 were available. This car's also got a T-top roof, which was actually a dealer installed option. Wasn't available from the factory in 88, but this one actually got it. It was actually ordered from the dealer to have the T-tops done, and they were actually an aftermarket conversion, and it actually has the tag in the tailgate which shows you when it was done, when the car was brand new basically. I've owned the car for 3 or 4 years, and I've gone through a whole car from front to back really to get the car up to the standard I wanted. I've always wanted one of these, but this is actually the 4th Trans Am I've owned, but it's the first GTA I've actually had. It's also got the original VIN tag, and I'll show you on the inside in the glove compartment. You can see the actual original tag. You'll see that in a few seconds. Just shows you that this car is a genuine GTA with all the correct factory codes for the 5.7 engine, limited slip differential, absolutely everything that was available on the GTA in 88. This car actually had all of it. I've customised the car fairly mildly. I don't like my car stock, so I've gone through a lot of the car just to really make it a little bit more unique, just how I like my cars. On the outside I've changed the wheels, the suspension's been done, the exhaust has been done, I've had the whole car repainted. As you can see, it's a very clean car. That's just how I like my cars. I don't drive this as a daily driver. This car is, you know, a show car. I only take it out to shows and drive it on nice sunny days, so this car doesn't really get out much. I'll just show you the under the bonnet and show you what the engine's like. As you can see, it is very nice and clean. Back to the outside of the car, you'll see the paint is actually the original factory black, but obviously I've had it repainted in the correct colour. The car was a 6-month process to get this car painted, and it came out really good, because anyone who's painted a black car before knows how hard it is to get, you know, good finish with a black car. But the guy who did the bodywork, he did a great job on the car, made it come out looking brand spanking new from the outside. I've also added quite a few little touches on the car, little gold decals here and there. I was able to get reproduction GTA emblems, because all the ones in the car were all shot just from sun damage. So it really cleaned up the whole car from the outside. Plus the custom wheels, one offset of wheels, diamond cut, gold painted 18-inch wheels with 275 Yokohama rubber. Just finishes off the car really nicely. You may also have noticed the car is wearing a standard Trans Am rear spoiler. Again, the rear wing on this car just needed changing, all rotted out, so the GTA wing, not a big fan of it anyway, but overall I think it finishes off the car really nicely. But thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy watching this car.
Was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.